ma parang pingrang anjing kadong ini caksuna ia biar punya anjing bang tentang biar berangci sungri panak ta kena mandirang bangan ia ko taki muat tu nama macam ke bapa kan di bawah pusiunga agak sak belungen option ruinga ia ni casunga teknologi ni semuanya agak sak belungen option ruinga closer to the people angai ko akan agak ska ya bringing destination closer to the people ya step te anjing bangat semuanya nak kata government ni step rango bringing admin kau district ko demand kau bringing administration closer to the people ni anjing akan nuwa jadi ya biar puna anjing sipang bat nak taman geno tarak bat nak taman geno kanta bungani biar pun anjing kantasa ta ndi anjing songri mungna sokna taman gen jak hal gen garis station ongja anjing india gemuk ni mandra we have to be in the opposition mandra digi chansia ndi ongja development na anjing dia support kawek na nangen jaku digrek na nangen kumongek na nangen jakon grek na nangen unosa area de phangani ko anjing nak taman gen aro jemangan yana longen mo speak out ka acham wang ko mo tele
Thank you, sir. And now may I request Honorable Chairman MIDC to kindly deliver the keynote address for this program.
Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the chief guest of this program. Our Honorable Local MLA from Dadangri constituency, Mr. Rupa K. Marak. I stand here today also feeling this great sense of pride and also a sense of nostalgia looking at realizing this agreement, this MOU between the Government of Meghalaya and the Airports Authority of India. And I believe this holds this MOU holds immense transformative. I think that we are laying the groundwork for a future where Baljek Airport is no longer a dormant asset but a functional and vital node in our state's transport. Diba operationalize dalsa ya MOU ni Japano dalsa operationalize ngono kasan benga chingni local MLA ni akan darang Sunday apa chingjawa diba ta alo ching nakata maninga MOU sign khani Japano Airports Authority of India JAN Plak Airport rang JRAN chingni dao ya nakapa step korani chi je kon nakata chingni khasara chief minister nakplebia chipe kham kha dalo county ya airport operations ka maina wa vision je chi bia ya airport ko takteleng na bia ba chingna kata ba ya jumang na singar pengrang ini man anga mungsa proposal ko onna kata skinga chingi khasara. It is only through his vision that today we are seeing what we are seeing in terms of the runway, the building, all the funding which he facilitated as a union minister at that point of time. And I hope that together and nurture this opportunity. Baljek Airport is no longer a forgotten asset. It is now a launch pad for taking part in this program. God bless the state of Meghalaya.
MOU agreement ko sign ka ani ko ansung tao nagkamgen. And now I request everyone to join in witnessing the joyous event of signing the
okay.
Sabihin sa kung nag-create at product ako.
Shri James Samaji, our local MLA who's present out here with us, our officials from the Airport Authority of India, Executive Director Pandeyji, and all the other officials, our officials from the Transport Department, our DIG and other officials from the BSF, ia programuna tentang piapuni bakra sok bagapa blak nok marang saudarang arong ni kasara Chengjal area aro bulbulau ni jogapan nogaparang aro plak ang ni kasara repenggang. This day, happy day for all the citizens of this place, Garo Hills in general, and the state of Meghalaya as a whole. I take this opportunity to thank the Airport Authority of India and the Transport Department for having concluded the signing of this very, very important MOU, which will further facilitate the starting of and operationalization of this airport and the starting of services for the future. Kasarar Pingrang, Yesal, Ansing Sakanchinan, Namin Gusiok Mani, Kachani, Arugi Sikrani Sal Oksomot. Ang ating tamad sa Nukapay Sol ko, yan ang bigay pa sal ko, Aruya Chol ko at sina Utnani na, ang Nukapay Sol. At sini pagapam, Piesan ba sagi ko nga yasumeni bako kiskra may naiya airport ko bini sumoyo bini member of parliament oni sumoyo biaya airport ko conceptualize plan implement ari ko ang sini president late PS Sangman Sagini State Planning Board Chairman of Ali Sumoyo ya airport ko inaugurate ka. Talo ya airport dasyo at sini local MLA at sini MIDC ni Chairman agaringatsun namin at sinagamsat big pa development aro asset opa. Jingjal area ni mandirang na dagdag pa tuntangan ko aro nambini ko taalo ya airport ni true ya area sumdong pa mandirang na opportunity rako show rako utnamat gain managing salo airport operationalize pa ya area Garo Hills ni kisa kamsat big pas center kata kuno Achni passenger angko ba mandir angko transport kaan baksa. Garo Hills ni gamsat kepa bustura. Kami ke mat kepa bustura. Tentang achni proses kai mat kepa bustura ko. Kepan di aprangsi watatna. Yan jengjal senturoni oke. Ya area ni mandirang na dalgapa development aro tentang ko. Rakana matgin aro na matgin. Storage na biapong jamay na. Dalgapa godown nong jamay na. Jengjal area ni truan. At sa Garo Hills na rakbagin. Aro Garo Hills ni kepen biap rangona at song rangona wat na matgin. Kuni kaman yan amen at sina aro ya area ni mandirang na kamsat kepa development of gate. Talo mandirang chancingin ya MOU ora mai. Tao ya MOU ko sign ka ato to yani sa mana mai okay. Detek sa sumera dia ko bangan sa mga talak na sking. Talo skang pa ya MOU ko sign ka atsi. Ya biap ni maintenance. Ya building ni maintenance aro building ko operate ka na. Makang si flight rank ko operate ka na. Sugama responsibility Airport Authority of India Chapora kam kake. Maina ya ko state government aro state department ya ko dakna makja. Singo manpower aro expert mandirang tungja ya ko dakna. Ini ya ko ran ka de Airport Authority na agre government body ko anya private body na pa duma. Diba government today Airport Authority na agre ya ko safety na ko maintain ka quality ko maintain ka ya airport ko chalai na aro operationalize ka de Airport Authority san makaya. Unigaman da alo ya MOU ngaya chugamak bal ko Airport Authority of India na opening jo aro Airport Authority of India bai ko raksa ke hamna ko apat chingno. Je chini ramarang ko ba runway rang ko ching maintain ka na nga ya plug ko maintain ka ni ja bano. Ya building ko operationalize ka ni ja bano. Ya uran scheme ni undero anga already chini minister na Mr. Ram Naidu biyan chini India sorkari ni civil aviation minister nga binanga likha siatjo RCS ruto regional connectivity scheme ni ruto udan scheme Shillong to Tura to Tura means Baljek to Shillong ya connectivity na ya airport ya flight na tentang mancha 19 seater maina tau ya runway de talgapa plane na de chumku jawa unigaman tau ya runway existing runway na manjawa maina mandarang plane na manjawa unigaman ya sector ko subsidize kana yan regional connectivity scheme ni undero aviation ministry chomotan central government tangka pesarang ko ongen aru ya ko start kana ba ya scheme ko na anga minister na likas yancho James Salo central government tentang mancha Shillong Baljek sector na ya RCS scheme ko sanction kaken ya RCS scheme mo pangcha ke nga 19 seater flight ko Baljek ko ni Turauni Baljek ko na china na uni man yan gani pa step okay di ba wa RCS program ko dakna sanction again aro RCS scheme ko implement ka chokon ya 19 seater flight apachingen getang gepa jen salo ya chun gepa plane ko chang activate kana again at least ya airport operationalize kono getang gepa da gepa plane ko rapana chni plan unigaman ya ko dakna minimum chngai no 2 kilometers 1.1 plus 1.8 but 2 kilometers ni runway ko changa na Tsinga dao ya detail on tsinga yarang ko dao discuss ka inga ni ko tsinga future ko chanchi makang china dalo nao Shillong ba tsinga problem inga Shillong ba dao runway ungjani at sell talgapa tsindi Indigo commercial plane nang ko changsao de an tsing land ka na matgen या को चांसियन चिंगा दालो या रनवे को एक्सटेंड करना चिंगा प्लान रखो थारिया यानी कि सेपोन दाओ लैंड एक्विजिशन नि खामरंग बा होगिंगा या लैंड एक्विजिशन नि खामरंगो तस्यो एमएलए बांगना जाना पिंगाचिन अंचनी एमआईडीसी चेयरमैन बांगना स्खांगो नागा अलबांग पाका दुआ उनिगमन Pano ba mai ba land acquisition ni issue dua pode angan esmang ko bonus pinga esmang ba chapo pano ba mai ba confusion ba communication gap ya sel sawa thangka mancha mai ba issue ka pode sinau ya lak kun singa resolve that we should complete the land acquisition process in such a manner that we look at the long term. I don't want to see another meeting where we have to go for another expansion in the future. Let us do the expansion of whatever is required to be done so that for the next 30 years we don't have to worry about the runway and about flight to land, because at one point in time, for passengers to be transported, my vision is to make this into a logistics hub, to have large storage areas. Garo Hills and Meghalaya is a large producer of vegetables and fruits, flowers, things that are required in large cities. And because of logistic problem, we are not able to send our products to the large consuming centers. I'll share a small story, and I want our and I asked them that where do you buy your flowers from? And the flowers on 19th evening at 6 p.m. Not before, not after. Because before that, the flowers will get spoiled. After that, we don't need the flowers. It's not about production. There are problems in production, blah, 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 other things. But the immediate challenge to make things viable in the long run is logistics network. The chain of cold storages, the large storage around the airport, the regular flights of cargo from the airport to the main cities, and private sector coming in and being that integrator or aggregator for this transportation. So my goal and my vision is to see that this airport becomes one of those larger logistics hub, which I feel it can because of its geographical location. We are 20 minutes flight from Dhaka, literally. I know the political situation is complicated now, but decades from now, we are closest to Dhaka. We are closest to Kolkata. Shillong is right next to us. Even flying from here to other locations like Bangkok and other locations, we have a geographical advantage because we are in the southernmost part. Cabinet member of Matungo, Bangin via area or ya Jinjal Airport Corporation na siya kana biya Bangin kamera ko kajo foundation ako biya base kaaha aro dalo ya ba foundation of base kain dalo tsna ya level na ba ya stage na dalo sok naman na ha nigman nga tang mansa bulbang pakapako ba ang gisaka kung siya nga matelas ka dalo bini proposal jikon biya natsa ya proposal ko daw airport authority baksa discuss ka may nakikot nga naming level nga iko sukat kin ya plakot nga discuss ka again di ba anga ba bini aga na katarang kuna men anga ba raksaka namin kusyo ka as masakan si ko anga matela. I once again would like to thank our airport authority officials for taking the initiative. On a lighter note, airport ko daw airport authority na daw handover ka ni Jabano, operational ko handover ka ni Jabano group ki gani बाकी कमर खुशी हो गए तो मुझे मालूम है कि आप खुश है लेकिन खुश भी नहीं है कहीं पे आपको लग रहा है कि अरे हमारा जगह ले लिया लेकिन डीआईजी साहब ये पब्लिक की भलाई के लिए है और मुझे मालूम है आप इसको भी आप समझेंगे आप साथ देंगे इसलिए आप यहाँ पे आज प्रोग्राम में हमारे साथ हो आप लोगों ने बहुत सर्विस दिया है और आगे भी बहुत सर्विस देंगे। जो हम लोग का क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन हम लोग आज फेस कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए भी हमें साथ काम करना है। और एक बार फिर मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं कि जो भी आपका जो रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगा, जो भी आपकी दिक्कत रहेगी, इसमें हम आपके साथ काम करेंगे और चीजों को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। Kendi kapag grup para dugo kuno. Andi ba? Ang ayo ko pa daot sol ko aya kana skinga. Ya airport ko operationalize ka jani gamansa wa somayot skai ko Mekong festival na tsinga kalaha. Andi ba yani rightful piap pa kamde airport sa. Unigaman future na continuously Sasong ni sasong na deko Mekong festival na sakala matsawa. Ultimately the airport na waike. Andi ba? Mekong festival ba important ba? Aro ang ni nagkani kita de ya Jinjal area Mekong festival ko host kana krabat kapag ya pa. Uniga ba nga balbang pa ko ba? At sini local MLA ko ba aro public ko ba nga? J festival na ba? Bakangchi. J festival na ba? At sini local festival rang na. At sini dentang Galzani program rang na. At sini training program rang na.